Okay, hi everyone, and welcome to the last week of KAIM 9, which is sad, of course, but hope everyone had a lot of fun, learned a lot, and enjoyed this day. And for week 12, we're not going to do a new project, but rather we're planning to have you improve your previous week's project, so that you can focus on one project that's going to be your cornerstone or like capstone project, and you can use that as your portfolio piece, and you can present that to others and add it to your resume, and you can also share that. So that's what we're going to be doing. So it's transforming your strongest project into compelling production grade portfolio piece that demonstrates reliability, professionalism, and business impact on the sector. So like what we do is, what we plan is, we want you to prioritize demonstrating reliability and reducing risk, for that specific, like for the fintech audience. So you can select the project that you think would best showcase your skills, and just try to work and to make it robust in engineering and have a reliable foundation. So once you choose your project, so out of the 11 projects or the 10 projects that you have done over the weeks, you can select one project, and for that one project, you can after you select it, you can have one of these actions. You can refactor the base, the code base with advanced coding style and modularity and maintainability. You can write unit test if you have not. You can build relevant CI/CD pipelines, add new or improved features, such as interactive dashboards. If you have not, complete any tasks that you have not finished at the time, or anything else that has the potential to make your portfolio like better or more impressive. So we will, of course, the tutors will. All of us will support you in the process of designing and implementing your selected project. We can help you with the design, the score, like plan the tasks, implement it, test, and write up. So if you need any help with that one, you can ask us. So on the submission, you will have actually you have a submission today that you have to submit. So the first submission is today, where we have a Google form that will ask you which project you want to do, which improvements you want to add and stuff. So you can fill that and submit by today so that you can get started on the work by tomorrow. And you will submit the interim submission on Sunday and the final submission on Tuesday, as always. So for this week, we don't really have any tutorials. So as your deliverables, of course, the first task is to identify which project you want to do. So it could be you can take a look at the projects and do a gap analysis on code quality. Is it modular and well organized? This will help you select the project. If you don't have a project in mind right now, you can follow this form, or you can follow this table in order to find the project that you want. You will work on for this week: testing, documentation, reproducibility, visualization, and business impact. I have clearly articulated and have you defined a good success metrics. You can take a look at those, and this will help you select the project that you want. That you will be working on. And then after you select the project that you will work on, you will create an implementation plan. So based on the gap analysis, you will select 3 to 5 high impact improvements, prioritizing critical gaps, and items that maximizes your portfolio impact, and something that should be or can be achieved within a week. So after that, you will do or implement at least some of the following engineering improvements: code refactoring, adding a CI/CD or testing, interactive dashboard, and deployment if you have not deployed it and you would like to deploy it, adding explainability, especially for models and others. And lastly, you should all make sure that you have professional documentation. So you should create a documentation that makes your profile or project, the selected project, accessible and very impressive. So this is the format for the README that we suggest: the title, the business problem, the solution overview, the key results, and how to get started. The project structure, if you have a demo or if it is deployed, like technical details, any improvement that you need, and your contacts. And of course, you need to also add a blog post or a report on the updated one. So for the submission, today, you're expected to fill this form and submit. You just have to add your name, your email, the project that you want to work on, why did you choose this project, like the problem that you want to solve, the metrics of definition, what you have to add, and what was completed before and what was not completed, and what needs improvements, and what engineering improvements you are planning to perform, and any blocker or risk that could keep you from achieving this, so that we can intervene, and your daily day-to-day execution plan, so that we can follow up, and you can also hold yourself accountable. So just fill this form by the end of the day and submit. Oh, of course, you don't have to physically submit. You just have to fill it, and we will actually get the result from there. After that, of course, you're expected to submit, like as usual, a report and the GitHub link as a proof of work. So for the report, your general plan and what you have actually done or actual progress, what was completed and what was not completed, and for the non-completed, why was it completed, and the revised plan for the remaining time. And for Tuesday, you're expected to submit a blog on the submission and a link to the updated code and presentation. But I think we can leave the presentation. But this can help you. So let's also have a presentation. Just prepare an elevator pitch of your project, what you can do, what you have done, what the results look like, and everything, the problem that you are trying to solve, the approach that you took, and the outcome that you have. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So like I've said, you're not going to be working on a new project. You're going to be enhancing your existing project. So first, you can follow this table to identify which project you want to work on if you don't have any in mind. And for that project, what needs to be done, you can also extract it from this one, create a plan for that one, and yeah, just submit that one today, and from starting tomorrow, you can get started on the work. So is that clear? Any questions? I think that's not clear. Oh, okay. I think, yeah, it was not shared. I will share it right now after the session. Yes, only you are only expected to submit the you're only just the form for today. Yeah, yes, that's what's expected from. What about any technical ones? You do have any technical, but it will be introduced on Friday as usual, as per the schedule that we have shared. What will be the criteria to select among the previous projects? Any requirements? No requirements from us, but since this is about you, like this is not about the grade or this is not about the training program. Which project do you want to show off? So like if someone can to you, Almas, and asks you, what project have you worked on? You want to show a project that you're really proud of, that you have done end to end, that it's ready to be like out there, right? So we want to help you build that uh, project. So that's going to be your capstone project. That if you have a presentation to tomorrow, you can take that project and you use it as a presentation or as something that you can show off. Is that clear, Almaz? So no criteria from us, but it's from you guys. Can I submit the midstream stream from earlier weeks? Yeah, please contact any of the technical tutors and they will open the portals for you, Bitania. Okay. Any questions? Other questions? Oh, no question? I think, yeah, okay. So is it clear what you used to do? So it's not clear, but you don't have any questions. Is that the case, or? Okay. Finally, Leah is clear. What about the others? Simrat, Helium, is it clear? The questions. Okay. Like I've said, like I will share the document right now after the meeting is done, so that you can get started on the form. Make sure to submit the form today. And yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you, everyone. If you have any questions, please make sure try it on Slack so that we can help. For the for the tutorial sessions, we don't have anything planned, but as you can see here, like if you request a project, like if you have any request from your side, we're more than happy to schedule it and have that session. So while we're working on the projects, if you have any requests on the sessions, if you want to have a session on any of the past tasks, you can just ask me or Daisy, and we will schedule it. Okay. Okay. Nice. That is, we can actually stop the session here. It's very short, of course, but I think everything is clear. In that case, we can end it here. So thank you everyone for joining, and see you on Slack.